you come to this place, copy this structure, what you want, using this structure, and you put it there. So after that, you say my project topic is this. My project topic is, then you go and copy your project topic, which is this. Now, there is a challenge I used to see when I'm doing this kind of work. Anytime I include the location, which is Oyo East, Nigeria, the work used to be affected somehow. So I would just copy case study of secondary school. You understand? Instead of adding that, I will copy, so that ensure that for start, don't put location there for now. I'm still going to do, if you need proper teaching on that, you can just chat me up to get more. So don't put location for now. So and say, now you now say use this reference list as in-text citation. Please follow the way I put it. Then you go and copy. Ensure that you put quotation mark. Go and copy all your reference. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, you copy. Use this reference as in-text citation. You understand? So, and add, make it formal and comprehensive. You understand? So, if you have done this, you can hit enter. Once you hit enter, a magic will happen. Now, watch what ChatGPT will do. Look at it. Now you notice that what is bringing for us is not that comprehensive. Yes, but at least allow it to load like this. Allow it to load like this. So once it's load, you see. Do you see it now? So if the structure that I use here is not the structure for your own department, you can always ask your supervisor or the department for a structure on it. Now, do you notice that this work now, it works based on the reference that I supply? That is why I said you should do more reference. So when you copy this now, you copy this, you go to your Word page. Go to your Word page. Let me go to a new page. Let me insert page break so that it will go to a new page, or you can delete this. So I will copy and paste. Look at it now. I will do Ctrl V now. You see everything that is here. So you can remove all this line. Just click on them and delete it. Click on them and delete it. You see it now. So once you do this, click on them and delete it. Once you do this, your chapter 2 is ready. But you notice that it's not that deep enough. So all you just need to do now is now say, okay, then you're taking it one by one. You can copy this and go back to ChatGPT and say, using the reference list. So now, one way to do this again is that, you see this particular topic, this theoretical aspect now, you can go to Google Scholar again and type constructive learning theory. When you type it, it will bring, you can copy that reference in a particular place and repeat the same process. This is what I meant. You can come here now and let me copy this. Let me copy this. So you can come here, you can come to this Google Scholar back, and you remove all of this and you put this. When you put this, it will bring books for you. Then you can copy all the reference the way I did. You side, you copy, you understand? You copy, go and put it in a separate page. For instance, let me say this. You put it in a separate page. You understand? So let me just do this part. So this is when you want to now make other sections more comprehensive. Do you understand? So look at it now. I will repeat this for all. Let me pick more. Like I said, you pick more books, but let me just pick 3 for the case of purpose of our time. So you come back to this place and you now say, look at it, the same prompt, using this reference list as in-text citation. You understand? So let's copy this reference. No, this one is majorly for. So you'll be going to Google Scholar based on sections. You notice that the section we are looking at now, the section we are looking at here is this constructive, this part, and maybe, okay, let me also find reference for this before I go, so that I can do it together. So I come here, I put please, if there are things you don't understand while I'm explaining, just ask more. You understand? So let me see whether, okay, I think there are not much book about this. So let's just pick this one that is here. Let's pick this one that is here, and so we'll copy it. So back to our prompt. Now we say using this reference list as citation. So let me put the reference list that I copied from that place as in-text citation. You now say write this section more comprehensively. Do you see it now? Right, so that you go back to that section now. So we want it, because this thing is too small for project, so we'll copy this one, copy it back, and we'll go here and we'll put it and say okay, enter. You see what will happen now. That section will become more large. So once it is large, that's why I say you should get more reference. Once it is large, all we just need to do is to copy everything that it gave us. Then we're going to use it to replace that section. Look at it now. I'm waiting for it to finish. So once it's done, so like I said, this is more or less like you want to have your project done in 2 or 3 days, sharp, an approach. For those who really want more deeper stuff, I have approach for that, and you can just chat me up or send me a mail on my email, adewale@email.com. So I copy this now. Look at what I will do, and I'll go, instead of this now, I will replace it with this. You see, just delete this part, delete the SS that are there. So you notice that this place is more comprehensive now compared to what we have earlier. You see it now. So theoretical framework is more comprehensive. You can repeat the same thing for this section too. You notice that it's too small, repeat it. This section, to know that it's too small, you repeat it. So that is how you take each section. But please note this is not the universal section for chapter 2. You can ask your supervisor or your department to know how the sections, how they are going to be. So with that, your chapter 2 is ready. Thank you very much. You can watch some other videos on my channel on how to format page, so that you can arrange your chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. But this is just basically a layman approach to do chapter 2. So thank you very much, and click like, subscribe.